strengthening Yuen's method to release the Devil Arcanum's bonds. It represents limiting inner chains, but also raw energy, personal power, and desire for change. This archetype invites us to face our fears and destructive patterns, recognizing them without judgment to break free. Listen to this strengthening for 7 days before moving to the next Arcanum. Be strong to see the devil as a teacher revealing the hidden, not an enemy. Be strong to let it show what you've denied, repressed, and projected onto others. Be strong to allow yourself to become aware and reclaim your personal power. Be strong to turn shadows into light, freeing trapped energy for true liberation. We eliminate misinformation, perception, and interpretation, as well as assumptions, fears, and misconceptions about other universes, dimensions, dark matter, black holes, and unknown realms. Powerful in removing the ties that keep you trapped in limiting thoughts, emotions, and dense energies. Enhance your ability to free and empower every aspect of your being, turning obstacles into clarity and personal strength. We boost your physical connection, erasing fatigue, tension, and energy depletion caused by these blockages. I strengthen the central nervous, energy, and respiratory systems to balance and renew your vital energy. I clear the built-up effects of energy drain that impact and restrict your overall health and well-being. I boost the immune system and organs to clear out any stagnant, heavy burdens. Powerfully release limiting thoughts, obsessions, and unresolved traumas. I strengthen your conscious and subconscious mind to uncover information. We erase fears, guilt, and self-criticism, dissolving them completely. We reinforce mental balance, bringing you clarity, peace, and focus. Powerfully clear all built-up energy from your head and nervous system. Transform stuck, repressed, and avoided emotions causing self-sabotage. Let's remove the buildup of guilt, anger, sadness, and resentment limiting you. We fortify emotions and perceptions to release dark negative energies. We clear subconscious emotional traumas that now form fears and blocks. I release trapped emotions, bringing balance and stability to your feelings. Strength to cut negative energy ties, limiting you in past, present, future bonds. Power to sever toxic connections with people, places, and situations. Might to erase energy traces, all ties, and emotional dependencies. We boost balance between material wealth and spiritual richness. We remove attachments, traumas, and fears linked to financial lack. We reinforce giving, receiving, and keeping from abundance fearlessly. and without lack. We erase patterns of scarcity, debt, and fear of losing money at all levels of existence. We neutralize energy blocks that stop you from thriving, advancing, and achieving. Strength to recognize and release addictions, harmful habits, and neglect. We erase the built-up effects of addictions and negative habits. We fortify your body, mind, and spirit to stop repeating destructive behaviors from self-punishment and criticism. We remove self-reproach, lack of self-forgiveness, and regrets. We clear foreign addictive energies, sending them to other realms, dimensions, and unknown cosmic spaces. Strength to replace addiction with balance, freedom, and willpower. We boost balance in personal bonds, self-relationship, and connection with life. We strengthen the triad, you, others, and your relationships. Be strong to recognize patterns that hinder deep, honest connections. We clear misunderstandings and negativity between you and others. Stay strong facing your personal shadows and inner darkness. We break ties to destructive patterns born from fear and rejection. We balance your light and shadow, fostering stability and focus. Be strong to transform energy into self-acceptance and power. Empower yourself to boost creativity, intuition, and inner strength. Transform challenging energies into creativity and determination. Strengthen your intuition, creativity, and personal power. We remove energy blocks that stop you from showing your gifts, talents, and skills. Be strong to embrace this growth and make key changes in your core, shifting your emotions, feelings, reactions, views, and outlook. Strengthen your body, mind, and spirit to free, release, and transform your life. Be strong to merge and link all these boosts to your central nervous system, both ways. Stay strong, alert, and aware of your wild passions, ties, inner fears, addictions, and wants. We boost and grow your inner strength to face limiting thoughts, obsessions, and fears. Be strong to stay aware of toxic ties, harmful patterns, and lack of self-control. Be strong to accept, admit, and see these issues so you can make better choices. Be strong to break free from the chains that hold you back from true growth. We create connections in all directions, up, down, left, right, in, out, forward, and back. We strengthen internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and vertices to 100% potential infinitely. We remove all weaknesses and obstacles, allowing full integration instantly and infinitely. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? The same or different?